Nowadays, or modern days, a lot of CNC lathe machine operators doesn't know exactly or no idea who invented lathe machine and where it came from. Allow me to tell you a story. Many modern scholars suggest that the first potter's wheel was first developed by the ancient Sumerians in Mesopotamia. A stone potter's wheel found at the Sumerian city of Ur in modern-day Iraq has been dated to about 3129 BC, but fragments of wheel-thrown pottery of an even earlier date have been recovered in the same area. However, southeastern Europe and China have also been claimed as possible places of origin. Furthermore, the wheel was also in popular use by potters starting around 3500 BC in major cities of the Indus Valley Civilization in South Asia, namely Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro Kanoir, 2005. Others consider Egypt as being the place of origin of the potter's wheel. It was here that the turntable shaft was lengthened about 3000 BC and a flywheel added. The potter's wheel in myth and legend. In ancient Egyptian mythology, the deity Khnum was said to have formed the first humans on a potter's. The flywheel was kicked and later was moved by pulling the edge with the left hand while forming the clay with the right. This led to the counterclockwise motion for the potter's wheel, which is almost universal. Hence, the exact origin of the wheel is not wholly clear yet. A potter shapes pottery with his hands while operating a mechanical potter's wheel with his foot, 1902 in the Iron Age. The potter's wheel in common use had a turning platform about 1 meter 3 feet over the floor, connected by a long axle to a heavy flywheel at ground level. This arrangement allowed the potter to keep the turning wheel rotating by kicking the flywheel with the foot, leaving both hands free from manipulating the vessel under construction. However, from an ergonomic standpoint, sweeping the foot from side to side against the spinning hub is rather awkward. At some point, an alternative solution was invented that involved a crankshaft with a lever that converted up and down motion into rotary motion. 1836 pottery wheel demonstration at Connor Prairie Living Historical Museum. A skilled potter can quickly throw a vessel from up to 15 kilograms 30 pounds of clay. Alternatively, by throwing and adding coils of clay, then throwing again, pots up to 4 feet high may be made. The heat of a blow lamp being used to firm each thrown section before adding the next coil. In Chinese manufacturing, very large pots are made by 2 throwers working simultaneously. The use of the motor-driven wheel has become common in modern times, particularly with craft potters and educational institutions. Although human-powered ones are still in use and are preferred by some studio potters, potter's wheel has vertical movement in circular motion. In time, knowledge and ideas of some engineers and scholars has changed the old ways and part of their experiments. The concept of the lathe machine dates back thousands of years, with evidence of lathes being used in ancient civilizations such as Egypt and Mesopotamia. However, it is difficult to pinpoint an exact year when the lathe machine was published. In terms of significant advancements in lathe technology, important milestones include the medieval period, where the addition of a foot pedal and gearing system allowed for greater control, and the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, when mechanized lathes were developed. Therefore, it would be more accurate to say that the lathe machine has evolved and been refined over centuries, rather than being published in a specific year. In modern day, the influence of innovation and advanced technology, CNC lathe machine was developed. That's all for now. I hope that this information will help you. Stay tuned for more videos. Please consider to hit like and subscribe button for more videos update. God bless us all. Thank you for watching.